On-chain valuation zones. This match is real. We ain't letting it go. Fundamentals all we know. They go low, we go higher. Only trust the numbers, bro. Imagine not feeling to sign my bias. Take the MVRV Z-Score. Deep in green, I accumulate. Z-Score in the red. Time to trim, shaking out weak hands. Picking up the bottoms, seeing tops ahead. And that's why we're in Z-Score in the red. Time to trim, Z-Score in the red. Time to trim. Deep in green, I accumulate. Deep in green, I accumulate. Caught the BO, is it the first? Sign to trace. Chalk shit, now I'm flipping the space. Candles don't lie, see the structure unfold. Bearish to bullish, the story is told. MSS lock regime, flip this clear. Old highs shattered, the new ones near. Liquidity grabbed and price take flight. Swing points drawn, I'm aligned with the fight. Impulse moves, corrections tight. Entries clean, precision's my mind. Wicks to the downside, buyers ignite. Structure speaks and the future's bright. The chart's my guide, my compass my side. Every shit confirmed in the dead of night. Data flows in, I know when it's right. Trading conviction, it feels so right. MSS lock, regime flip. Momentum shifts, the scales tip. New swing points that charge my gift. Structure tells me when to switch. Better bull or bull to bear. I don't chase, I prepare. Zones marked out, I wait, I stare. The chart reveals what's truly there. MC so small, I breathe and it jumps. Put a whole bag and still one by a pump. Slip page like a cliff, the cell just dumps. Never seen a team with this many chumps. Got new buyers, they came in a flock. And they heard it's the top of the block. We got fake LPs, they look like a prop. I'm like Scotty too hottie, I dance with a Glock. Had a good run, but I'm selling it off. See me with the cash, like Santa with a sack. The MC small like a tic-tac, chalk like a desert. Only dry cash, but Hummer no dump like a truck. All my competition, they're down on the luck. The order so thin, it looks like a tuck. He paid too much and he blaming the slippage. It's the story of the third to his bandit. Even made money from a coin with a lock. Then the flow got mopped like a broom or a mop. The tenants made it back, so I'm like a rock. Got new investors like fresh recruits. They came to the lab like scientists to the first bag I made was in a bear, no bull. I'm really good at playing with a full clip. Micro cap, 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 micro cap. New ideas are the name of the game. To the idea, I really got a name. Small LP and an order booked in. Push out the project, the work just began. Hit the 10x and it hit real quick. Popped out of nowhere like a dirty trick. The team ain't shit and the owner is sick. It looks so good, but the supply's too thick. The buyers ain't coming, they're nowhere in sight. Can't buy it, all the supplies too tight. Not on the exchange, no price is right. Nobody to buy, the flow price is light. No matter the number, they cannot agree. I think the solution is to set it free. What can I do? They are not my problem. There is no point in trying to solve them. No time to wait. I'ma sell now. It went up so fast. I'm asking how. It's getting attention from other investors. If it doesn't sell it, what business is investors? Had to get out and sell to my peers. I'm just glad that I made it out of there. All I wanted was the top of the charts. All it took one sell to start. Micro cap, 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 micro cap. It's still new, but the supply is dwindling. I made my profits and now I'm mingling. Some of the money is dirty like diesel. The rest of the profit is all for the people. Some of the boys, they think that I'm regal. If I was a pirate, I think I'd be legal. I only invest when I know that it's sure. If I go in blind, then I can't be sure. Sometimes I feel like I'm blessed. Sometimes I feel like I'm cursed. I got my money, but he got it worse. The road isn't one hearse. I could never drive in a Mercedes. I think I'm the king of this road, you peasants. I've never been more ready for presents. I'm always ready for a quick celebration. Not really worried about my reputation. It comes in like floods, like a dam. So call it. If I'm feeling good, I just might haul it. They thought it was a bear market. I really think that I just sparked it. New investors, they really like sparks. When they hear micro cap, they feel the spark. No space in the car. I mean, my early park. If you try to get in, you might get sparked. Half the block I tapped, I see the scars left in the zone. Price retraced but didn't claim the throne. Orders resting deep like secrets never told. Candles dancing red and green like a war untold. Liquidity under, I see the wicks bleed. Trendline soldiers march where the charts lead. Open stalls, but the mission ain't done. Mitigation's a battle that's never won. Residual order still intact like a vault. Price was for secrets, the markets default. Breakers test the patience of every king. Half a block, some a dangerous ring. Up and down we go like a pendulum swing. Every bounce a story, every tap a sting. Risk mitigated, the zone's still alive. In this jungle of charts, only the sharp survive. Mitigation marks my comeback. Taps and fills till there's no slack. Price revisits where it's been. Risk reduced the trend. Stays clean. Order block alive like a ghost in the shell. Candles tell stories only the sharp can spell. Imbalance filled, but there's crumbs left behind. Mitigation clears what the blind can't find.
This is all gonna work out. I don't wanna say I told you so. I know it's sitting in the red now, but just wait a few months and we'll be in the green. You know, I'm holding the line. Ain't selling this time. I'm guarding my moon bag. 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 Price be dancing like a thief in the night. EMA wavy, got it gripping me tight. Amy holds adrift, yeah, it's keeping me right. Candlewick whispers truth, hides in the light. It's smash steady, smooth out the pain. Numbers don't lie, they be calling the game. Dynamic support, resistance ain't tame. Crossing them lines, trend shift and proclaim. Price respect when it holds that line. Like a shadow, it follows, keeps me in time. Averages tell me if I shift, I'm aligned. Riding the number wave, future defined. Catch that crossover, momentum ignites. Golden or dead, it sharpens my sight. Price rise the rails, a signal so tight. Drill beats and charts, this is my fight. Ride the EMA wave, stay afloat in a tight. MA tells a story where truth likes to hide. Smoothing out the noise, no need to decide. Average is a line, let the trend be my guide. Bulls or bears, they respect the curve. Trend lines bending, emotions unnerved. Cross the 50, movements preserved. 100-day glance, future observed.
Yeah. You saw the low, watch it fly. Bags empty, now you asking why. No plan, just vibes in your mind. Candle green, you miss the sky. FOMO hit you like a freight train. Chase the wick, now you feel pain. You thought that pump, but it sank. Now your count looking blank. Hey, the scan said this the moon. Next day, rug pull, what a tune. Better farm on my mint coins fast. Trust don't care, you came in last. European hotels, no lies. Dreams of Lambos, now goodbye. You were playing with the sharks, but you're just fish food in the dark. NGMI, it's your fate. No roadmap, just a blank slate. G to mine, no, can't relate. We stack wins while you deflate. Yeah. Leverage high liquidation, yeah. Risk it all now, drowning. Shortest strength, bought the week. Now you're crying every week, yeah. GMI.
Narrative brings the flow. First day, the mem comes now. What are your ears? Follow the mad and the THL retain. And before the music stops. First day, then mem comes now. What are your eyes? Narrative brings the flow. Narrative brings the flow. First day, then mem comes now. What are your eyes? Follow the mad at the rotation, rotain. And before the music stops. First day, then mem comes now. What are your eyes? Narrative brings the flow. First day, then mem coins, nah, what are your eyes? Follow the meta, the rotation, rotating before the music stops. First day, then mem coins, nah, what are your eyes? What are your? Narrative brings the flow. Follow the meta, the rotation, rotating before the music stops. First day, then mem coins. What are your guys?
They talking about trading drill. Tyro walking. But no style Lawson. No. I'm gon' hold it. I'm riding it like a G. Yeah, I'm so elite. I'll die in this hill. No life. For real. Trade a drill. 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 Trade a drill.
On-chain truth, they don't lie, I'm chillin'. Waters get pulled, waters get dumped. One man is banned, another man's dumped. Follow the flows, not the feed, charts, lag. Chain speaks first, on-chain truth, don't lie. Tell him, look on-chain. Rock space gonna pump, I'm Traff gonna pump. Rock cash will pump, meters, we're gonna pump. Off-chain truth, they lie, I'm telling you. look on chain. Follow the flows, not a feed. Charts lag, chain speaks first. Supply gets pumped, supply gets dumped. One man is buying, another man's dumped. On-chain truth, don't lie, I'm telling you, look on chain. On-chain's real, check on chain. On-chain's real, big boy play, big boy deal. One man's buying, another man's killed. On-chain truth, they don't lie, I'm telling you, look on chain. Follow the flows, not a feed. Charts lag, chain speaks first. Gonna pump, Frax Bear's gonna pump. On-chain truth, they lie, I'm telling you, look on chain. Off-chain truth, they lie, I'm telling you, look on chain. Follow the flows, not a feed. Charts lag, chain speaks first. Supply gets pumped, supply gets dumped. One man is buying, another man's dumped. On-chain truth, don't lie, I'm telling you, look on chain. On-chain's real, check on chain. On-chain's real, big boy play, big boy deal. One man's buying, another man's killed. On-chain truth, they don't lie, I'm telling you, look on chain. Follow the flows, not a feed. Charts lag, chain speaks first. Got me pump, bunch, go punch. Me this, gonna pump. On-chain truth, they lie, I'm telling you, look on chain. Off-chain truth, they lie, I'm telling you, look on chain. Follow the flows, not a feed. Charts lag, chain speaks first.
OB marks out in the shade. Last candle before the rain. Smart money moves, it's all displayed. Charts don't lie, the game's been played. Wick so long, they cut like blades. Fake out as a retail sway. Patience key, I don't cascade. Let it build and I get paid. Bearish block, I set my zone. Price was back, I'm in my throne. Green to red, the shift is shown. Go name some snaps, I'm not alone. Liquidity grabs, then it fades. Build a block, then I invade. Every candle a chessboard trade. Checkmate moves, the plans been laid. Mark the OB, watch it play. Last candle lead the way. Wait for price, don't be swayed. Build a block and I invade. Mark the OB, watch it play. Last candle lead the way. Wait for price, don't be swayed. Build a blender, I invade.
Paper hands funding the real ones. 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 I should thank the sellers for the bargain entry. So the Wick didn't even wait for the reversal. What I bought was confidential. Always panicking the moves are so uneventful. They can never see the full potential. These dummies always selling at the first red candle. Please believe me. It's so easy when you're buying at the top and selling on the cheap. And every day I see it on repeat. These paper handed sheep really only from the G, so scared. And before the rip, they get a little scared. You end up in a dip, one chance and you're gone. You just blue stack and you did it all wrong, big dumps. I need more of that, I ain't scared of the red, cause I'm trying to see black. Paper hands funding the real ones. 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 Yeah. Gas, you see it in their eyes, they ain't buying on the dip. They just letting it slide in the pain, they never subside. I'm stacking like a whale and I'm flipping like a slide. I'm really flipping every time I buy. And the cash are coming in cause they're scared of the ride and they're terrified of the high. They just take what they can get and they're happy to comply what I say. I'm really implying when they selling at the bottom, I just take it in stride. And they wanna cry every time when the red turns green. They just sitting on the side, all this cheddar in my hand. I'm never holding fast, so I always make a grand. I can never understand why you settle for a slice when you get the whole pan. Paper hands funding the real ones. 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 These paper hands can't hold on to anything. They're always selling everything. I'm trying to better bled a blank. I'm gonna win. If you're selling at the bottom, you a joke. And the cash you could've had, you would've been a goat. They always sell it for the low, and then they wanna sell it for the high, they never cope. And if you're feeling insecure, I'm never gonna sell because I'm in it for the cure. If you only want any door, you gotta take a risk, you gotta stick it for the long. And I'm telling you what I'm on. If you're buying at the top, you're just doing it wrong. I just wanna tell you what I'm on. If you wanna get ahead, just buy it when it drop.
Yo, the wig never lies, price pokes, it snaps back, hit it hands at work. Yo, the Wick never lies, price pokes, it snaps back, hidden hands at work. Pinbar stabbed the zone, left a scar on the chart. Rejection loud, no whispers, they defend with heart. Wick shows where they stand, where the order spark. Rejection speaks louder than trends, that's the art. Price poking levels like a thief in the dark. Zone lit up, orders hit, left a mark. Trap move set, reach the caught in the jaws. Liquidity's the bait, market's got no pause. Long Wick flexing, it's a sniper's delight. Stops get clipped, hidden hands ignite. Fake breakout, now the market retreats. They swept the weekends, left dust in the streets. Charts a battlefield, no Geneva here. Blood in the candles, no room for fear. Pinbar's a dagger stabbing through the haze. Retrace the shadow, then the price obeys. Rejection fear signals stronger than words. Trends can stutter, but the Wick confirms. Trap sprung tight, the prey never learns. Price slips quick, the Pinbar burns.
Past the throne, I stand in the zone. Market circles its home like it's drawn to its own. Volume stacking bricks like a king's foundation. Pivot on the level, now I'm reading the rotation. Price don't lie, it's a magnet in the skies. Orbit around the axis where the heavy money lies. Charts got a rhythm in the beats and the flow. Candles got a wick, but the body tell the show. Buys in my scope when I scope the terrain. If it dips below, I'm flipping scripts for the gain. Watch a reclaim, I'm the hunter in the game. Patterns in the matters, they all move the same. POC's descending like a planet's own pull. Gravity of trade, yeah, the pockets get full. POC's the throne, the crown's in control. Market finds its home, then it takes a stroll. I trade from the point they owned, I don't fold. Volume speaks loud, it's the story they told. The market's like a dancer, spins around the core. Posse's a tempo, hit a rhythm in the raw. Price gets rejected or it clings like a vice. Every move's a gamble, but I'm loading the dice.
Hello.
Okay, cleaner.
So you wanna know how I got it? How I kept my entry stamped on the chart? How I found silence in a room full of noise? How I was there before the threat? Let me tell you a little story. It goes a little something like this. Low caps before they were mentioned. I found trends in the wrong direction. You could say that it was perfection, but I think it was just my selection. It was a quick and easy transaction. It was about 100 decks I was matching. Found the right point of entry, stuck to the plan. It was simple, not fancy. Let me break it down. I didn't rush in like something. I didn't think it was all over when it went down 20%, that wasn't me. I was patient, and if I didn't know, I learned. I stayed educated, I did my research, I was investigating, and I held firm, wasn't hesitating. I was there before the threat, bought silence, sold the stereo. Preem entry, stand on the chart. It's all about the narrative. Before the threat, bought silence, sold the stereo. Preem entry, stand on the chart. It's all about the narrative. Oh, and one more thing, the narrative. You see, I never get married to a coin. I don't get emotional about it. But if you believe in the narrative, you can find it. You just gotta look in the right place before everybody else sees it. It was like I had a head start. I was in there before the threat, before everybody else is said, before the masses, before the big guys started dropping it, and the market started popping it. And then you see all the top influencers, they get hold of it, it's too late then, my friend. But I was in there, and it wasn't luck, it was judgment. I was sick, not desperate, and now I'm getting paid, so what can I say? I was there before the threat, bought silence, sold the stereo. Preem entry, stand on the chart. It's all about the narrative. Before the threat, bought silence, sold the stereo. Preem entry, stand on the chart. It's all about the narrative. You see, it's not just one coin. I did it time and time again, with all different types. I've had more wins than I've had losses. I made more than I lost, and I ain't talking 1 towards, or I'm talking 50x, 100x, and 1000x. How? Cause I wasn't emotional, I wasn't like some of you lot. So you know what, I think I deserve to flex. I think I deserve to sit on this. I think I deserve to enjoy it. And maybe, if you're lucky, I'll teach you how to do it. But you gotta pay me for that. You gotta put your money where your mouth is. But you ain't got the minerals for it, have you? Cause when it comes to it, I was the Preem buyer. I was there before the threat, bought silence, sold the stereo. Preem entry, stand on the chart. It's all about the narrative. Before the threat, bought silence, sold the stereo. Preem entry, stand on the chart. It's all about the narrative.
so exactly say.
Spark the hype, watch your flames go wild. Tweets and streams got them hooked like a child. Green candle stacking like a staircase steep. Dreams of Lambo doors and their late night sleep. Well, wallets flex with $1 million buy. Charts going vertical, touching the sky. They scream to the moon as they empty their cash, while the real ones know it's a house of ash. Shit for once and push it like it's gospel truth. Selling the dream to the gullible youth. Next 100 act with a smile so cold, while the code's been rigged by the ones who hold. Charts on fire, but the whip looks thin. One strike, then a rope where the fall begins. FOMO kicks in for the ones too late. Now they're holding bags at a loser's rate. Pump the chart, dump the hope. They bought the top, I broke the slope. Green too red, it's a slippery rope. Crypto dream just vanished, those rate. Pump the chart, dump the hope. They bought the top, I broke the slope. Green too red, it's a slippery rope. Crypto dream just vanished like smoke. Discord chats with the secret schemes. Behind closed doors, they're crafting the beams. Telegram whispers loaded up now, but the dump is waiting. They don't know how.
Charts bleeding red, it's a massacre of dreams. Portfolio turned to ash, ripped apart at the seam. Leg line kissed my last, now I'm drowning in steam. Thought I moved to the stars, now I'm stuck in a scream. Every candle's a dagger, every wick's a ghost. Shame scrolling through the past, like a haunted post. They just burning my eyes, can't escape the loss. The ledger's a graveyard, I'm nailed to the cross. FOMO was a devil, whisper sweet in my ear. Told me pump it to the heavens, now I'm stuck in the rear. Charts did me dirty, let me clutch it thin air. Rick stamped on my past, nothing left to repair. Was a king in my mind, now I'm broke in my soul. Tried to ride the waves, but I fell in the hole. The bull turned his horns and it ripped through my pride. Now I'm lost in the shadows with nowhere to hide. Rick, it's a mark that you wear. Burned by the greed, now there's smoke in the air. Rick, every candle a scar. Fell from the moon, now I'm chasing a star. Watch it all vanish like a thief in the night. Green turn to red in the blink of the light. Dreams liquidated, crushed under the weight. The charts are guillotining on the head on the plate.
RSI screaming hot.
That's the way again.
RSI screaming hot, too hot to breathe. Above 70 is hype, but it starts to seethe. Candles flying, red flags up in the breeze. Momentum strong, but greed brings you to your knees. Charts don't lie, they whisper truth in the glow. Overbought, it's a peak, but the cracks start to show strength. Measured in a single plot, it's all I need. Watch the bulls turn bears when the levels concede. Zones burning bright like a match on the fuse. Price actions loud, but the signal subdued. Flip the script, set a myth, ride a storm. Our side don't lie when the pressure performs. Overheat, watch it drop. Gravity pulls. By the fear, not the cheers. That's the code of the wolves.
RSI screaming hot, when me 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 hot. RSI screaming hot, when me hot, when me hot.
RSI screaming hot, what's the call? Overbought, it's a climb, but it's bound to fall. Oversold, I take my shot, catch the hall. Mid-zone chop, but I stay patient through it all. Below 30, it's a graveyard of trades. Fear grips the room, but I see through the haze. Oversold, I take my shot, stack the plays. Reversal in the wind, that's the rhythm I chase. Life where you make, counting the coins and stacking the paper, the stock once up. Then sitting down, they try to put fear in the town, I see what they do. A lot of folks scared to go long. Then they gon' wonder what happened to you. They watching it drop, they watching it rise. They wanna buy low, then sell it all high. Buying the option, letting them fly. The best getting squeezed, they wondering why. They mad that we win, they mad that we shine. We playing the charts, we playing the line. The price is going up, it's back in effect. You gotta adapt, you gotta adjust. The market's rigged, it's all a big scam. They ain't playing fair, but I don't give a damn. Bulls in charge, tomorrow it's alive. Why? We ride, I'm taking the dive. Up, trend strong, I'm ready to thrive. Watch me run it up, I'm ahead of the time. Money tree, watch the leaves fall. When I was down, I couldn't receive calls. It ain't a thing, it's all a part of the game. They don't remember the name until you get paid. Everything changed, never the same, going against the grain. I broke out the chains, you know the same. We are not slaves, now I got racks, now I got rain. When you run out them racks, it's a wonderful feeling. The money came in, it's like it was mail. It's like they been giving me hell. I'm a bull, I'm too bullish, I'm ringing the bell. I'm up in the jungle, you know I'm a lion. Up in the market, you know that I'm buying. You better not sell it, you know it's gon' fly. It was the bottom, it's bad to the top. You know how I go, the cream of the crop. You know the power of keeping it strong. You know the power of keeping it stopped. I did a lot and I'm doing a lot. I never forgot, now I'm ready to rock. Bulls in charge, the market's alive. Why you ride? I'm taking a dive. Up, trend strong, I'm ready to thrive. Watch me run it up, I'm ahead of the time.
There's a right click save. There's a right click save. There's a right click save. I could just screenshot it. JPEG file. Right click save. Right click save. Right click save. I could just screenshot it. Right click save. Right click save. Right click save. I could just screenshot it. You say the file. I on the flex. Right click don't improve an chain remembers. Folder forgets. Right click don't improve an JPEG save. Right click save. Right click save. I could just screenshot it. JPEG file. Right click save. Right click save. I could just screenshot it. Cynics never change the world. Nihilism never change the world. Pragmatism never change the world. Businessmen never change the world. Conservatives never change the world. Business never change the world. Traditionists never change the world. Haters never change the world. Right click save. 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 You save the file, I own the flex. Right click don't improve enough. Can't remember, folder forgets. Right click don't improve enough. JPEG save. Right click save. Right click save. I could just screenshot it. JPEG save. Right click save. Right click save. I could just screenshot it.
Hey, there's this really cool thing happening over here. You should check it out. Huh. That seems pretty cool, but I think I'll just do the thing I was already doing because it seems like a little bit too much work. And I don't really know what you're talking about. And I don't really care to know. And I'm pretty lazy. And I've already got a good thing going on here with the way that I'm doing things. You know, the way that I've always done them. And my parents did them and their parents did them, so I'm just gonna keep doing that thing that I'm already doing. Okay. That's cool too. That's cool too.
Right click save, right click save, right click save. I could just screenshot it. Right click save, right click save, right click save. I could just screenshot it.
New coin drop, they lit the flare. Promises rich, dreams in the air. White paper gold, roadmap clean. Telegram buzz, hype machine. Meme to the moon, the whisper spread. Shillers shout and you'll break bread. Charge one vertical, wallet swelled. Trust in the devs, the story they spelled. Liquidity locked, that's what they said. Smart contract solid, no need for dread. But behind the scenes, shadows move. Code was a riddle, their greed approved. Community pulled, hands to the sky. Blinded to twist, the silent goodbye. They played the saint with a wolfish grin. Setting the stage for the rug to begin. They've cut the floor, the chart turned red. Liquidity ghosted, dreams lay dead. Tokens to dust, the hype was a lie. Community left in the night to cry. Lost but secure, they claimed their pride. Trust in the process, we're at the tide. But whispers grew, red flags unseen. A honeypot trap in a crypto dream.
Scalping quick, I'm in and I'm out. Small gain stack up, no doubt. Watching the charts, gotta know when to bounce. It's all in the game, I got it on lock. I go for the win. It's up and it's down, I'm pulling it in. You miss it, you drown. It is what it is, it's not what it's not. I go for the win, I'm taking the pot. Gotta get it quick, not a lot of time. When you're in the game, you gotta make it right. Up a couple points, yeah, that's what I like. I don't need a lot, I don't need a lot. I just need a little, but I need it now. I ain't tryna wait, I ain't slowing down. When you know the game, you know what it's about. If you know the game, then you know the game. It's quick and it's fast, I'm up on the dash. I'm watching the clock, I'm making it last. I gotta move quick, gotta move smart. I gotta move hard, I gotta move fast. I gotta move up, I gotta move in. I gotta move out, I gotta move in. I'm in for the game, I'm in for the win. It's all in the game, it's all in the game. Scalping quick, I'm in and I'm out. Small gain stack up, no doubt. Watching the charts, gotta know when to bounce. It's all in the game, I got it on lock. I go for the win. It's up and it's down, I'm pulling it in. You miss it, you drown. It is what it is, it's not what it's not. I go for the win, I'm taking the pot. Stopping quick, I'm in and I'm out. Up, no doubt. Watching the charts, gotta know when to bounce. It's all in the game, I got it on lock.
When the money come in, I'm still unsatisfied. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game. Running and running in place, running and running away. They think they know, but they don't. I don't wanna be like them when I made the wrong move. I get no sympathy. Too many short sellers, they'll try to pin it on me. I'm trying to find a way out, but there's no clarity. It's on my fault I'm rich, but it's your fault that you're poor. You can say that you're up, but I know that you're lying. The funny thing is I'm still not satisfied. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling ashamed. Try to show, but I'm losing my claim. I know it's wrong, but I'm never to blame. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling ashamed. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling ashamed. Try to show, but I'm losing my claim. I know it's wrong, but I'm never to blame. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling ashamed. I know it's wrong, but I'm never to blame. They were just playing, they were just playing with me. It was never serious, it was never that deep. I know you're in disbelief. I can see that you were trying to help. I can see that you were trying your best. I can see you try to offer me your best. I was down bad, I needed your help. Now I understand that it's hard to accept, but that's no longer my problem. Too many short sellers, they'll try to pin it on me. I'm trying to find a way out, but there's no clarity. It's not my fault that I'm rich, but it's your fault that you're poor. You can say that you're up, but I know that you're lying. The funny thing is I'm still not satisfied. Short squeeze, trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling ashamed. Try to show, but I'm losing my claim. I know it's wrong, but I'm never to blame.
When the money coming, I'm still unsatisfied. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game, running and running in place, running and running away. They think they know, but they don't. I don't wanna be like them when I make the wrong move. I get no sympathy. Too many short sellers, they'll try to pin it on me. I'm trying to find a way out, but there's no clarity. It's not my fault that I'm rich, but it's your fault that you're poor. You can say that you're up, but I know that you're lying. The funny thing is I'm still not satisfied. Short squeeze, trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling the shame. Try to show, but I'm losing my claim. I know it's wrong, but I'm never to blame. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling the shame. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling the shame. Try to show, but I'm losing my claim. I know it's wrong, but I'm never to blame. Short squeeze, I'm trapped in the game. Market's moving, I'm feeling the shame. I know it's wrong, but I'm never to blame.
Left shoulder starts, a subtle rise, weak push up, then it dies. Heads the crown, the trends disguise, a higher peak, fooling eyes, right shoulder forms a symmetry. Lower height, the trends decree, neckline drawn, the line we see, support turns weak. Destiny, 3 peaks right to fate, it's late. Neckline snaps, trend rotates from bulls to bears, no debate. Price falls fast, close the gate, targets drop, measured in space. Head to neckline, that's the chase, a pattern born in the chart space. Momentum shifts, a new embrace. 3 peaks right to fate. Neckline snaps, trend rotates. Invalid's the way. Signal loud, the trend inflates. 3 peaks right to fate. Inverse headed, flips the script. Bulls emerge, the scale tips. Left draw shallow, the bear slip. Weak hands lose the grip, rips.
I'm in sniper mode, waiting for the shot. I'm in sniper mode, waiting for the drop. I'm in sniper mode, waiting for the moment. If it's time to hold it, you know I'ma hold it. I'm in sniper mode, waiting for the spot. If you tryna plot, then you getting got. If you tryna test, you can catch a Glock. If you tryna flex, you can get it poppin'. You can get it now if you want a problem. I don't see a way that you can solve them. I'm in sniper mode, waiting for the move. If it's time to go, then I'm coming through. I'm in sniper mode, I got the juice. I'm in sniper mode, I got the troops. You can try to test, I got nothing to prove. You can try to flex, I got nothing to lose.
Sniper mode.
Waiting for the shot.
Sniper mode.
Waiting for the drop. I'm in sniper mode, I got the juice. I'm in sniper mode, I got the juice. I'm in sniper mode, watching for the sign. I'm in sniper mode, waiting for the line. If you tryna find me, I'm doing fine. If you tryna find me, you know where to find me. I'm in sniper mode, ready for the time. If you see the move, you know that's a sign. If you hear the sound, you know it's a Glock. If you hear the pop, you know it's a shot. If you hear the pop, you know it's a bang. If you see me now, you know that's a thing. I'm in sniper mode, see it from the top. I'm in sniper mode, taking a lot. I'm in sniper mode, seeing the chart. I'm in sniper mode, ready for the mark. I'm in sniper mode. I'm in sniper mode. I'm in sniper mode. I'm in sniper mode.
Sniper mode.
Waiting for the shot.
Sniper mode.
Waiting for the drop. I'm in sniper mode, I got the juice. I'm in sniper mode, I got the troops. Price dip deep like a submarine dive, but need support, no breath to survive. Bring snatch, they stop, slap a nigga in the tide. Liquidity soaked, now the bulls gotta strive, reclaim the floor, yeah. The trap's been set, fake breaks south, now the north gets met. Candle flips green, they ain't seen it yet. Order block hit, now the shorts in debt. One of them bills, they chase a green flame. Chasing that pump, but the rules ain't the same. Retail screens while the whales play the game. Took the bait, now they drown in shame. Bounce so clean like a phoenix hero. Like fear, bro, the week, not a strange show. Spring just a trap that the market bestows. Watch it reclaim as the liquidity flows. Fake break, then a real take. Stop sweating, the ground shakes. Spring snap, now we elevate. Catch the move, here too late. Fake break, then a real take. Stop sweating, now the ground shakes. Fake sway. Resistant kids by the upthrust great. Spike so high, left bears in disgrace. Upthrust kiss the top, then erase their space. Reject it so sharp, white smiles on their face. Buyers got baited, bulls hit the ceiling. Euphoria phase, now the red gets revealing. Stops get run while the chart keeps stealing. Fake break north, now the pain is appealing. Volume pops loud, but the fake comes quick. Upthrust bait, flips the script so slick. Retail trap, yeah, they fell for the trick. Price slamps south, now the charts looking sick. Moment flips like a switchblade fast. Shorts get rich as the bulls won't last. Upthrust games, either rookies or guys. Liquidity drain, now the die's been cast. Fake break, then a real take. Stop sweat, ground shake. Spring snap, now we elevate. Catch the move, you're too late. Fake break, then a real take. Stop sweat, now the ground shakes. Wyckoff whispers in the shadows of the trend. Manipulations where the real moves blend. Stops on early, then the script gets penned. Markets amazed with no straight end. Spring trap lows, up the trap's highs. Both fake moves catch a herd by surprise. Price action lies, watch a wick disguise. Snatching dreams with the weak capitalized. Order books thin when the stop punch proud. Algorithms grin as a rookie's howl. No remorse shown as the predators growl. Liquidity pools drain, that's the final foul. Bulls get trapped, yeah. Best take the hit. Reversal sharp, now the script's been lit. Fake moves win, while the crowd throws a fit. Wyckoff's orange, yeah, that's a grid. Fake break, then a real take. Stop sweat, now the ground shake. Spring snap, now we elevate. Catch the move, you're too late. Fake break, then a real take. Stop sweat, now the ground shake. Spring snap, now we elevate. Catch the move, you're too late.
The chart's a battlefield, candles in the skies. Price fakes a drop, then it spikes to the skies. Retail panic, they can't see the game. Wicks through levels, every stop gets claimed. Stops fed to the beast, it's a ravenous feast. Liquidity pools where the traps get released. They hunt the herd before the release, snatching their hope like a thief in the streets. Smart money lurking, they're patient, they're still plotting their move with precision and skill. Retail screens but the tape won't care. You're a pawn on the board, they're the kings in the air. Candle stretch long, then snap like a whip. Yeah, SL's gone, now they're flipping the script. Chart patterns lie, it's a dangerous play. The beast eats first and it runs away. Wicked them out, then feast. Stops fed to the beast. They hunt the herd before release. This is the game, no peace.
The level was clean. Retail thought they ride, but price broke through, left them fried inside. Stop cluster shining like gold in the dark. Small money's laughing, they hitting their mark.
Risk it all, but I won't let go. Stop loss warrior, knowing the foe. Risk it all, but I won't let go. Stop loss warrior, knowing the foe. I'm setting my stop, no fear in the flow. Don't care if it drop, I'm in it for more. I'm holding my spot, no fear in the flow. I want it to pop, I'm letting it go. I'm ready to rock, my foot on the floor. No looking for blocks, I'm ready to go. It's down to the wide, don't care if it's hot. The balance is fire, my equity low. Risk it all, but I won't let go. Stop loss warrior, knowing the foe. Risk it all, but I won't let go. Stop loss warrior, knowing the foe. let go. Stop lost warrior, knowing the foe. Risk it all, but I won't let go. Stop lost warrior, knowing the foe.
Charts my map, I draw my line. Supply caps the sky, the man holds the spine. Candles creeping, but I see the trap. Big orders hiding, waiting to snap. Zone to zone where the money flows. Liquidity pools where the pressure grows. I mark the wick, I shade the block. Price taps the edge and it starts to rock. Buy side stories, sellers play coy. Imbalance, it fills the void. Fibonacci whispers 50 to a golden. Retrace or break it, so behold 'em. Patient shot, my sniper's view. Zones tell me where they buy is true. Zones tell me where they buy. The man on the floor, supply, caps the sky. Watch the price tap, then reply. I don't chase, I wait nearby. Engulfing candles, the game's alive. Liquidity rate stops, don't survive. Highs get swiped, lows reclaimed. It's a war, but I'm a fade. I reload, that's the way it go. Candles looking down, but they never touch below. Eyes on heavy, yeah, the buyers in control. Fake break lurking, but the smart money, no. Respect the level, it's a battlefield raw. Support build solid like it's concrete floor. Ceiling overhead like a cap on my growth. Pressure building up till the break I explodes. My paper swings wild, but I stay composed. Eyes on the chart where the rhythm unfolds. Price action dancing, it's a ruthless show. But the levels don't lie, gotta follow the code. First the level, yeah, respect the line. Flow held strong, ceiling breaks in time. Ride the flow when the walls unwind. Levels don't lie, it's a market design. Relay backs up, oh, it's a market design. Relay backs up. Ceiling breaks, I ride the flow like a wave. Uptrend forming, gotta count my plays. Retest clean, yeah, the structure stays. Price finds balance in the game, it plays. Fake outs daily, they be catching the blind. Wick to the downside, they be robbing the kind. Support flips resistance in the blink of an eye. Keep your stops tight or your capital dies. Making my move. Patience is key, now I'm ready to prove. Big gains, no time to lose. Bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. Hold my nerve, I don't swerve. Swing for the fences, I'm making my move. Patience is key, now I'm ready to prove. Big gains, no time to lose. Long time, I've been trying to make sense of this. No time, I'm sick of this selling bitch. Never been a good little boy, no, I never been celibate. Putting in work, got a strategy, all of these boys been telling me. I got a little black book, the pages are filled. I can't be giving out these notes, this isn't a place to spill. Giving them game, just for a little thrill. It was a good investment, I didn't make a loss. These times are tough, they wanna put a brother in a box. But I'm too good at this, I'll always take a profit. If I'm not satisfied, I'll always come my losses. I got time, I got patience, I'll try to replace this, but they never replace me. It's time to turn the table. Time to change my perspective. I've got a better understanding of things. So I'm making my move. Patience is key, now I'm ready to prove. Big gains, no time to lose. Bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. Hold my nerve, I don't swerve. Swing for the fences, I'm making my move. Patience is key, now I'm ready to prove. Big gains, no time to lose.
I've been in the grind, sometimes I feel like I'm blind. That's why I have to rewind, I've been declining. You know how it goes when you've been trying. You know how it goes when you're just dying. Had to work on my mental health. I didn't realize, now I realize that my mind is my greatest wealth. Put it in work, I've been planning this all since birth, I know my message, I'm making my
Ayo, track it, this shit crazy.
Checking the charts like, whoa, all of my cryptos I sold. And if you wanna know why, ask my TIs, they know I've been in love with the dough, my portfolio swole. And I be sipping on Henny while looking at charts. I ain't sipping on the lows, they know that my heart's too cold. Grew up in the winter, it shows. And I'm the coldest when it comes to the game, don't need to explain, that's both. I've been waiting for my moment, I'ma snatch it, won't postpone it. I just put up with the gang, all the charts looking healthy, I'm so glad I own it. All of the cryptos I sold, I'm buying them back. They thought it was done, they thought it was rap. They thought I was down, they thought it was cap. I let them think that while I was in cash when the market goes up. I get a lot of gains when the market goes down. I don't feel no pain, I'm a beast with the charts. Got them looking amazed, got me thinking the market is my domain. T-Master, I'm running the show. Chart right now, I'm ready to go. Pad and speak, I'm making my flow. In the streets, I'm bringing my glow. T-Master, I'm running the show. Chart right now, I'm ready to go. Pad and speak, I'm making my flow. In the streets, I'm bringing my glow. They know that I'm focused, not like the others, I ain't hopeless. Got the heart of a lion, I was made for the charge, you know this. Grew up in the cold, I was chosen. Never did it for the exposure, never do it for the exposure. I only do it for the closure. I might drop the tape, no pre-order. Got some tea again to go global. Told them patience is a virtue, we gonna take over the world, that's plural. I'm from the city where the bags secured, I'm from the city where the racks are stored. T-Master, I'm running the show. Right now I'm ready to go. Pan speak, I'm making my flow. In the streets, I'm bringing my glow. T-Master, I'm running the show. Chart right now I'm ready to go. Pan speak, I'm making my flow. In the streets, I'm bringing my glow. Next girl, so she crazy. Shot to the moon in my head. Moonboy targets in every thread. Diamond hands till my palms bled. Up only till I'm dead. I'm stacking bags like I'm bidding dream. Green candles flow like a glowing stream. Ignore the risk, it's all a game. Huddle tight through the fear and pain. Shots don't lie, but neither do I. Bought the dip, now I'm touching sky. Every pump got me hypnotized. Bull run vision, I'm wide. Hope he missed like a midday sun. One coin flips and I've already won. 4 more screens, but I never run. Moonboy vibes till the days go higher, higher, higher. Feel the fire, 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 fire. No retreat, no retire. Moonboy quiet, we go higher. I'm sipping game from a chalice gold. Bought the top, but I'm still bold. Laugh at risk, it's a story, yo. Market's cold, but my heart's sold. Every call like a prophecy. One set flips to a dynasty. Ignore the charge, still line of me. I see the moon, that's all I need. Dreaming big, no time for doubt. Every red wick, I scream and shout. Bear traps come, but I walk around. My faith unshaken, I'm moonbound. My wallet's light, but my spirit's full. Lambo dreams keep me in control. Price goes down, I still feel whole. Moonboy life is the only. We go higher, higher, higher. Feel the fire, 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 fire. No retreat, no retire. Moonboy quiet, we go higher. Calling wild targets like I'm a sage. 10 at 20x, flip the page. Market's a jungle, I'm out the cage. Moonboy fever, I'm all the rage. Hopium clouds on my atmosphere. Every price dip, I disappear. Blind belief is the path I steer. Up or down, I'm staying here. Future's bright, I can't look back. Portfolio's red, but I'm on track. Laugh at the bears, they're on attack. Moonboy pack, we got the neck. Charge to the moon in my head. Moonboy targets in every thread. Up only till I'm dead. Heart all tight to my dream. We go higher, higher, higher. Fuel the fire, 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 fire. No retreat, no retire. Moonboy quiet, we go higher. We go higher.
Yeah. Draw it low to low, the base we find. Ride a line tight, that's the angle of the grind. Candles test the slope, bounce back, no delay. Respect the trend line, it's the trader's ballet. Auto our resistance in the skyline. Price gets close, feel like a landmine. Slope so clean, razor blade design. Break it down slow or it snaps over time. Each wick a soldier, marching to the beat. The chart don't lie, it's a battlefield heat. One touch, two touch, third time's a test. Break a bounce, that's the market's jest. Angle sharper than a diamond's cut. Momentum builds when the candle strut. Respect the zone, it's a silent vow. But when the line breaks, everything's loud. Ride a line, it's the angle of the grind. Price so base till the move rewind. When the line breaks, the game rearrange it. When the line breaks, the mood changes. Ride a line, it's the angle of the grind. Price so base till the move rewind. When the line breaks, the game rearranges. When the line breaks, the mood changes. Diagonal whispers, telling stories in the chart. Supporting resistance, that's where the game starts. Every point a lesson, every slope a guide. Candles on a mission, watch the market collide. Bounce at the bounce, like our heart be steady. But pressure builds, till the break is deadly. It's a pattern of rhythm, a calculated dance. But one wrong move, and you lose your stance. From low to high, I connect the dots. Like a sniper's aim, in the trading spots. Angles align, like stars in the night. But tension grows when the slope is tight. Each move a chapter, each wick a word. Trendline speaks, though it sounds unheard. Price respects till it doesn't no lie. When the line snaps, it's do or die. Ride a line, it's the angle of the grind. Price so base till the mood rewind. When the line breaks, the game rearranges. When the line breaks, the mood changes.
Charts don't lie, the line's my sight. Above VWAP, trend feels right. I see the buyers pushing tight. Below it, all the weak take flight. Candle wicks, they paint the tail. Green and red where fortune sail. Weighted price assess the tone. Big players call it their throne. I watch the spread, the volume's king. Move so sharp, they cut, they sting. Reversion plays, they test my nerve. But discipline's the edge I serve. Support breaks, I short, they slip. Resistance cracks, I ride the rip. VWAP bends but doesn't break. That's the path I always take.
Above VWAP, the bulls ignite. Below the line, I fade the high. Weigh the price, march the fight. VWAP moves in the day and night. I see the flow is stacking wide. Buyers lurk where bears collide. The way the lines, my guide, my muse. Stay too blind, you're bound to lose.
Yeah. Yeah.
Profile draws a spine where the market's aligned. High nose mark the grind like the stars in the line. Silent zones where they hide. Whispers under the tide. Low volume gaps where at time. Slip through the divide. Structure built on trades. Every tick a cascade. Candles paint charades, but the volume's where it's laid. From the highs to the lows where the big money shows. Footprints in the flow, that's the language it knows. Clusters thick like armor. Zones tighter than a bunker. Buyers on the corner. Sellers fueling the thunder.
no guessing. Just a map where the gaps overlap. Reading levels like a trap, no cap, I adapt. Note knows like mountains rise. Support and resistance ties. Volume tells no lies. I see truth in its eyes.
Trade and minds collide. In the zones they confide. Charts only give the surface. The profile's the guide.
High nose, mark the grind. That's the spine. I align. Low volume gaps are where I time. Where I shine. Profile cuts the noise. It's the voice. My design. Every level's a choice. And the edges on mine. In the silent zones, it's a ghost town vibe. Liquidity thin like a blade I slide. Past the traps they said with the weekends bet. I'm a shark in the depths. You ain't seen me yet. They said it's over, we still here. Weather storms for every year. Fell down, got up, no fear. Faith loud, the vision clear. Stack my L's and flip the page. Turn my doubt into a stage. Squad so tight, we unfazed. Burn like fire through the haze. Cycle spin, we never fold. Pressure makes that purest gold. Stories told in whispers bold. Legends rising what we hold. WAGMI stitched into my veins. Every loss has taught me gains. No retreat, we break these chains. Built this fortress through the pain. WAGMI, yeah, we all in. WAGMI, yeah, we all in. No one left behind, we climb. WAGMI written in the sky. Two lines creeping, closing tight. Rising wedge bleeds, the move, no fight. Higher highs, but the lows look fake. Memes I'm gone, it's a slow heartbreak. Price moves up, but it's all facade. We can't stream and the crowds applaud. Pressure building, but the cracks don't mend. Slanted ceiling marks the end. Bear claw swipe, shadows fall. Break below, it's the curtain call. Angles tilt, it's a slide disguise. Falling fast, can't trust the highs. Two lines frame, the doom is set. Rising wedge, seals the thread. Price compressed, but the strength's all spent. Upward dream, downward lament. Wedges like they bend, they play. Break the trend, it's a judgment day. Rising fades, falling booms. Two lines frame the charts on tune. Falling wedge, hints at a boom, ignite. Lower lows, but the spring feels right. Squeeze up price, tension grows like a coil wound up. It's set to blow.
Wick left open tabs, no sleep in the charts. Thin moves slice fast like a thief in the dark. Candles stretch tall but they fall like a lie. Retrace the shadow where the truth don't hide. Market grabs, quick leaves, balancing debt. Every move's a test like a gambler's bet. The zone ain't safe till it feels what's sold. Ghost to the wick where the stories unfold. Tight stop snap, dreams in a blink of a tick. Highs and lows, dance but the game stays slick. Liquidity hunts where the weak can shake. New paths form once the shadows break.
Market comes back for what it brought. Feels the shadow before new clouds. Wick left open, can't relax. Balance hold it calls you back.
Empty space talks in the language of pain. Every whistle whisper in the treader's domain. Fast tracks fake, like a sprint in the fog. Truth feels slow, like a clock on a jog. Liquidity's a thief, but it pays its dues. All gaps get filled when the chart reviews. A test of patience in the heat of the game. Chasing a wick is how you earn the name.
Yo, they accumulate in the dark, creeping silent like a shark. Selling climax leaves a mark. Weekends fold, they lose the spark. Automatic rally of fate rebound. Smart money circling underground. Secondary test, they play it cool. Retail trap, they break the rule. Springs hit a sudden twist. Liquidity grabs, it can't resist. False hope, they load the clip. Phases plan, no chance to slip. Range bound moves, disguise a thrill. Shake out fear, impose their will. Back to the bases, quiet still. The setup's laid for the next big kill. They accumulate in the dark. Don't. They accumulate in the dark, play the game, leave them marks, scheme from range to kill. Smart money climbs the hill. They accumulate in the dark, play the game, leave them marks, scheme from range to kill. Smart money climbs the hill. Distribution on the hill. Retail's chasing thrills. Composite man, he's dressed to spill. Feeding greed with deadly skill. Upthrust action, fake the top. Trap's been set, no room to stop. Overbought, they'll make it drop. Gravity's pulled, a penny pops. Weekends cling to broken dreams. Markdown phase, they cut the seams. Stop losses hit, the echo screams. Blood in the streets, the market gleams. Supply zone's heavy, hope is nil. Markups ghost, the air is chill. Rinse, repeat this endless drill. Wyckoff's game, it's all downhill. They accumulate in the dark. They accumulate in the dark, play the game, leave them mark, scheme from range to kill. Smart money climbs the hill. They accumulate in the dark, play the game, leave them mark, scheme from range to kill.